Hey friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and it contains a very beautiful and unique ideas of face masks. I have been sharing with you in my previous videos very beautiful wide variety of design ideas of hand embroidered, handmade, handcrafted, handwork face mask design ideas on different basic and easy hand embroidery stitches. But friends, my today's video is some sort of different from my previous videos because in this video the whole embroidery patterns are based on only one type of embroidery stitch, and that is Sindhi embroidery, Sindhi barth, homage embroidery, Gujarati silai, or many more different terms of Sindhi embroidery patterns or patchwork have been used for these. So all of these are only one embroidery pattern base, and these are designer style handmade masks. They are usable and washable. Kindly please make a habit of wearing mask while going out to take care of yourselves, of your lives, and the lives of your dear ones. So if you want to get more creative, funky and stylish ideas related to women fashion and art, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you really like my video, then don't forget to like my video. So thank you so much. Hope to see you soon back in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves and do share my videos with your friends and family.